Hi, so today I'm going to explain what OpenAI agent identity management is and why it matters. So, as AI agents become very powerful, they can now access APIs, use MCP tools, interact with their databases, and execute tasks, and even can communicate with other AI agents as well. But there is a major problem that how we can verify that AI agent is trustworthy or not. So that's where open A2A agent identity management comes. So it gives every AI agent a secure cryptographic identity, which is basically similar to how humans use login systems or websites use SSL certificates. So with this system, an AI agent can securely identify themselves and can sign in and verify communications, also can build trust between agents and can operate with controlled permissions. So also it provides security features like activity auditing and the MCP servers connections and also trust scoring. So here I have registered two agents on AM server. So first one is my agent, which here we can see it provides the server ID and name and the trust score, also the status. And the next one is the meal planner agent. So here we can monitor the agent in agent identity management. We can monitor this particular agent, like what are the APIs key associated with it, or MCPs, and the recent activity check. So this is the main use of this agent identity management. Thank you.